It's recording. I can see you.
So, first I'm going to twist some Play-Doh. And now, I just keep twisting and rolling my hands with the Play-Doh. And then cut it a little bit. I can't wait until I do a video. My first time making a video. And we got a little strip of Play-Doh. Keep rolling so it can fit into the hole. And then now we're going to put the Play-Doh in there so we can make him as hairy as possible. Now, push the Play-Doh out. Just keep pushing. See if the knife gets you can twist his hair, but you know what I did wrong? I did something wrong. Wait. Sometimes I get it stuck in. Mommy, can you hand me that bobby pin?
Are you serious?
I am serious.
Never mind. Look at all the hair we got left. So let's just use this hair.
Do you think I'm gonna let you do this to me? I've watched you screw this office for 10 years.
Give me the bobby pin just in case, Mommy.
Every stupid thing you've ever done up in this office.
Alright, okay. You know what? Now you know how I feel.
Now, I take this right here.
Lesson learned.
Push it. And look, you got some Play-Doh hair. Thanks. This out. And then your hair. Oh, look at that. Look what I found in there. And guess what? I didn't need it this time. Look, this little piece was what it was in. Hey, camera, what did you do there? Just this little piece. Make some donuts. Watch. So I put this down, and then I cut this inside excess. And then I take this apart. And then you have to mess it up if it's not the one you want it to be. And there we go. But to make the donut, you need to print this. And then let me use my mother's bobby pin that she gave me. And kind of just twist it out. Little. There we go. Pull the donut excess away. Make some mistakes sometimes, so you might just want to use some of the hair that we used, and just, you see it already made that. Push it in to make a donut, and you're ready. And it's going to be a donut, and look at all the cookies that I already made used like a second ago. Okay. So I can make all kinds of shapes with this Play-Doh set. And I'm using other Play-Doh to use. And just gotta smush everything down. So you can just make sure you get everything settled. Right. Come down. And then cut the excess off. Mommy, I'm going to need someone to press the button when I'm ready to. No, I'm just telling you I'm going to need somebody to.
Okay, I'm here when you